So in this task, we're going to look at, first of all, how to log in to Learn Informatics. So I'm going to type learninformatics.co.uk/login ASP. And when you log in, you then log in with your email and your password, which should take you straight in. For this particular user, there are only a few options. We can click on My Account, this is important, and put in your first name, your surname, called name, and then your gender, male, female. You don't have to set that. Then check your email is correct. It should be, because you just signed in. Whichever year you're in, this is year 12, then your network login and your password should be the same as the one you logged in. So I wouldn't change the email or the password. Check you also belong to the correct group. This is a group called the Remove, and I'm running that. And then update your details. When you head back to the pupil view, you will see any of the modules that you can do. This one is device management, and as you can see, there are certain tasks to do. We're doing the first one, called download software, and the instructions tell you to first of all download the marking engine. So I'm going to click here on the green arrow and do save as, and here is the marking engine. I'm going to put this onto my desktop, and so put it onto the desktop and save it. And when I just close this down a bit, you can see that the marking engine is there. It then asks me to run this as administrator. Now I'm assuming that you are on a machine of which you have full control and administrative rights. If not, that is what you need to find to do this particular module. You can then run as administrator, go to more info and run it anyway, and that will allow you to run the Learn Informatics marking engine. So I'm now going to sign in like this with my email again. So I'm signing into the marking engine and with the password, and then I log in. This allows me to mark all the tasks that are on the module. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is download software. I click there, I browse to the desktop, select the marking engine, click open, and then mark. It says this task has been added. That's good news, so that means I've got it right and it's been added, and I can go back home to the marking engine. If I now look at my device management page, which is the web page, the web portal for Learn Informatics, and refresh the progress, I will see that the download software has now been completed, and that's how you complete the first task.